Hi everyone, welcome back to Function Pilates. I'm Vanessa Kelly, master trainer and studio owner of Function Pilates located in Tempe, Arizona. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a default series of exercises to place in your intermediate lateral flexion and rotation category. I'm working on a balanced body piece of equipment, and the default spring series I've chosen is one blue spring, which is a half spring if you're working on a different model. I understand as a student this can be overwhelming and challenging as you're trying to piece together exercises for your clients. These videos and tutorials are intended to help and assist you throughout the process. So if you do like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I hope to have you along the journey. The client will start kneeling with the inside knee supported by the shoulder block. Place knee pads down for those who need to modify. Allow for hip distance apart spacing between the knees. With the hands interlaced, soft elbows forming a small basketball hoop, begin to rotate through the spine, engaging the obliques. Keep the shoulders down and soft, and be sure to monitor any false rotation. False rotation means that the head is only turning and the torso is not. The hips should remain squared, tailbone tucked, and chest is puffed up. Exhale to rotate. Inhale, return to the starting position. Then carefully talk to your client on switching sides. We will aim for about 6 to 10 repetitions for each side. Keep an eye out that the ribs are not splaying apart and they are knitting together. Again, exhale to rotate. Inhale, return to the starting position. Cue them to squeeze their glutes if there is additional shifting in the hips. Encourage that they look straight ahead to avoid any collapsing of the chest. Their belly button should pull deep in towards the spine. A strong activation through the abs is the intention. And this concludes the intermediate rotation series. Follow me into single leg footwork for all levels next.